Here are 10 steps to help improve a friendship. Tip number 1. Open communication. Foster an environment of open and honest communication, where both parties feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. Tip number 2. Active listening. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, maintaining eye contact, and showing genuine interest in what your friend is saying. Tip number 3. Empathy and understanding. Seek to understand your friend's emotions, perspectives, and experiences, and respond with empathy and compassion. Tip number 4. Trust and reliability. Build trust by being reliable and following through on your commitments. Show your friend that they can count on you. Tip number 5. Quality time. Make an effort to spend quality time together, engaging in activities you both enjoy and creating shared experiences. Tip number 6. Support and encouragement. Offer support and encouragement to your friend during both good times and difficult moments. Be there for them and celebrate their successes. Tip number 7. Respect boundaries. Respect each other's boundaries and personal space. Understand that everyone has their limits and preferences. Tip number 8. Conflict resolution. When conflicts arise, address them calmly and respectfully. Seek understanding and find solutions together, focusing on compromise and finding common ground. Tip number 9. Appreciation and gratitude. Show appreciation for your friend's presence in your life. Express gratitude for their friendship and the positive impact they have on you. Tip number 10. Continued growth. Encourage each other's personal growth and development. Support your friends' goals and aspirations, and be there to celebrate their achievements. Remember, friendships require effort and nurturing. By following these steps, you can strengthen and improve your bond with your friend over time. Once again, thanks for watching.